Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to make the financial goal reaching calculator by taking the scenario of rate calculation. That is, in the today's video we will learn how to calculate the annual rate of interest when the annual rate of interest is unknown. Okay, actually this video is the copy of time calculation scenario video. Just we will calculate the annual rate of interest based on the others financial information available. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, you can see here we have a question as at what rate of interest is required to reach your financial goal of $1 million. So to provide the answer of these questions, we have to calculate the annual rate of interest because we have three informations are already given. Okay, so based on these three information and other support information, that is this one, we will calculate this one. Okay, and it can be calculated by same as number of period techniques from the time calculation video. Okay, so for this I'm going to time calculation sheet to copy the formula. Okay, all right. This is our time calculation video sheet. Okay, so from here I'm going to copy this cell by pressing the Ctrl C and just go back to the main sheet, that is this one, and now let's click here and now press Ctrl V to paste it. Alright, now you can see the number error, but don't worry, we will correct it. So double click on this cell to display the formula. Alright, now in this formula we will replace the NPR function, that is this function, by the rate function. Okay, and we will also change the divide sign from the multiplication. Okay, and other things will remain constant. Okay, and then finally we will get the answer. Okay, so for this I'm going to clear this one. So first click here and press shift button and press the left arrow from your keyboard and select this one. Okay, and now let's clear it by pressing the backspace from your keyboard and now type the rate function, RATE, and now press the tab. Now let's provide the information based on this argument. So for NPR, that is number of period, so we will select this one, comma. For payment we have to select this one but along with the negative sign. So first press the negative sign and then click this one, comma. For present value we have to select this one, so first press the negative sign and now select this one, comma. For future value we have to select this one, comma. For type we have already the separate cell, that is this one, so select this one and now press the close parenthesis and just copy this function and just copy the rate function. Click here and select this function from here to here from your mouse. Okay, and now press Ctrl C to copy it and now click here and just clear this one by selecting this one by the help of mouse and clear this one and now press the Ctrl V. Okay, similarly for here select this one and now clear this one and now press Ctrl V to paste it. Similarly select this one and now clear this and now press Ctrl V to paste it. Similarly click here and select this one and clear this one and now press Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, and we have also one more NPR function, so click here and select from here to here and clear this one and now press Ctrl V to paste it. Okay, now before pressing the enter key, now let's change the arithmetic sign, that is from divide to multiplication. Okay, so clear this one and now put the multiply sign. Similarly here clear this one and put multiply sign. Similarly here clear this one and now put multiplication sign. Similarly click here and now clear this one and now put the multiplication sign. Similarly click here and clear this one and put the multiplication sign. Now click here and now clear this one and now put the multiplication sign. Okay, we got this. Now let's press the enter key. Alright, we got it. Now let's change this format from accounting to percentage, so click on this icon. Alright, now let's increase the decimal, okay, up to 2 places. Okay, so for this click on this one and increase the decimal. Alright, now I'm going to change this color, that is I am going to match with this color, so click this one and now press Ctrl V to bold it. Alright, you can see we got it. We got the answer of annual rate of interest, that is 8%, and you can see in the time calculation sheet we have 8%. That means our calculation is correct. Okay, now let me show you these sections by changing the compounding method. Let's see what will be effect in this cell. So suppose I'm going to select the annually, you can see. Similarly for this you can see, 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 and similarly for this you can see. Now let me tell you one thing here. When I select the compounding method daily, the error is showing, that is the number error is showing. Why? Because of the lowest value calculation inside this cell. Okay, we should understand that our formula is correct. However, if you have still doubt, then you can change the number of years. So suppose I am going to change the number of years from 10 to 1. Let's see what will be effective here. Okay, you can see. Alright, that means whatever the formula I have placed inside the cell is correct. Suppose if you will increase the 2, let's see, still the value is showing. Now I'm going to keep the same, the earlier number of years, that is 10 years, and I press entry and choose the compounding method monthly. You can see. Alright, and now our all the things, that is these things and these things are same as time calculation. If you have not watched that, then how to calculate these sections and these, then please watch that video, link in the description below. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Signing off.